what the, why are you, bro, why are you braking? Like, why are you braking going up a hill? This is like, and also, if you, don't move to Maryland. These people are dumb like that. Like, who brakes going up a hill? You're gonna slow down automatically anyway. Look at that. I'm slowing down. I'm going up a hill. Why are you braking? Or like when they want to brake, let it fall off the accelerator. That's all you gotta do. It gradually slows down or it stays at a steady pace. Bro, look at this shit. Like, what the fuck are you braking for? There's like no cars in front of him or her or whoever. Like, I just hate stupid drivers, bro. But I want to see who the fuck's in this car. Cause I thought this was a cop at first. Bro, it's a fucking young person. What the fuck? And he driving like that. Why do y'all like constantly brake? Like, what the fuck? Like, I dare you. But, oh, now he wants to go fast. Is that a fucking... Look, he's drunk. Saw that shit. That's a fucking young person driving like, look at him. Look at this shit. Who the fuck doing burnouts in the middle of this fucking street? Look, what is he fucking braking? What the fuck is he braking for? Look, there's nobody. What is he braking for, bro? Bro, just let up off the accelerator. Bro, this nigga a crackhead. Like, what the fuck do you... I hate with people who brake like that. Like, just constantly tapping your brakes. Like, what the fuck? What the fuck is wrong with you? I'm sorry, I just hate dumb drivers and I hate stupid people. Bro, where the hell are car enthusiasts at? Like, as soon as I got this GoPro, like, I've been seeing nobody. The whole time I didn't have a GoPro, oh, motherfuckers out. Motherfuckers zooming. The fuck? Now y'all is nobody. The fuck? I kinda miss, like, when we first went to quarantine, bro, it was like no one out. Like, car enthusiasts could cruise and shit like that. Like, you see these little niggas. Look at fucking Popo. I remember one time, like, this fucking cop, he was sitting like in the middle of the fucking intersection with his fucking lights on. Yeah, he was sitting like in the middle of the intersection with his fucking lights on. And I remember one time, I'm sorry, but I remember this one time, this fucking cop, well, my cousin, okay, I found out why he did it, but my cousin said it's because, like, sometimes they be doing triple shifts. This motherfucker cop, or like sometimes they be on a computer and shit, this fucking cop, what he did was, he almost he almost like ran into me, and because I didn't know he was a cop because he was undercover, but he almost hit me. I don't know if he drifted off to sleep or he was checking his computer or phone or what. Who the fuck this psycho motherfucker? Look at this motherfucker. But I don't know if he was checking his phone or what, but motherfucker almost hit me. Look at this nigga. But yeah, this motherfucker like almost hit me. So I'm like, what the hell? Cause like, only reason I found out it was a cop because this motherfucker said, whoop whoop. Cause he fucking scared the shit out of me. So that's the only reason I found out he was a fucking cop. Ooh, hello? Hopefully that fucking security dude don't come. Cause that nigga be freaking me out. But I should go fuck with his ass. See how he likes it. Ah! Nobody has their damn windows open. Ha 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 ha. But oh yo, okay, look, you see this light, right? Bro, this nigga, this fucking Toyota, I don't know if I said this, ran in there because I was beeping at something. I forgot what the fuck happened. I was beeping at something. I guess he thought I was beeping at him to tell him to stay in his lane, but I was beeping at something else. This nigga ran into that median that you saw, and they gonna try to chase me down like it was my fault. I'm like, bitch, I didn't do it. Like, people beep. Like, you need to get used to it. Like, how you not see that? But no, I can't lie. I almost did it too. But no, I'm smart enough where I didn't do it though. like, what the fuck? Like, how do you run into that? I don't, bro. How you do that? How do you? But I want to go past Gobart. What do I call him? Gobart? Guzman? Bogart. I called him Gobart because I couldn't pronounce Guzman. I mean, I could pronounce it, but when I read stuff, I don't read it fully. Like, I skim it and I just see the words. Like, people think I can't read. It's not that, it's just I don't fucking look at the word. I just skim it thinking that's the word, and then I come, like, when I type, I skim it and I don't read. So it looks like I can't type, or I can't type a sentence. Like, no, bitch, I can type and I can read and I can spell, but it's just I don't look. Hey, fuck you. I don't look at watch this. This is a cop. Yeah, I don't look at shit. But yeah, I don't look at shit. That's my issue. Like, I can read and I can type, and I know how to pronounce words. Just like I said, I don't look at shit. But I'm out, man. Y'all stay humble. Y'all stay driven. F cancer. Peace. And I'm out.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.